Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search messages by date in WhatsApp so you can quickly find exactly what you're looking for. So first, you want to open the WhatsApp on your phone and go to the chat where you want to search messages. From here, you want to tap the three dot menu on the top right corner and select search. Now, when you tap the calendar icon that appears in the search bar right at the top, right over here, this will let you choose a specific date. So just scroll through and select the date you want to search for, then simply tap OK. So let me go ahead and choose this one. Tap OK. All right. Now, WhatsApp will now jump directly to messages sent on that date, as you can see right over here, making it super easy to locate old conversations without scrolling endlessly. And basically, that's it. Searching messages by date in WhatsApp is quick and perfect when you need to reference a specific day. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.